Hello everyone, this is Sean from Expert Mechanics at 727 Kipling Avenue at the rear of the building. Today we are working on a 2014 BMW X1. We changed the oil and thermostat. They're making a video on the thermostat, but I will make a video on the oil change reset. So first of all, you're going to need that button in the corner here, right there in the corner. Some people say you need this button, the BC button here as well, but I didn't use the BC button. I only use that button right there. So what you need to do is do not step on the brake, turn the ignition off, turn it back on, do not step on the brake. In other words, you do not want to start the engine. With the hood open or closed, it doesn't really matter. Doors open or closed, it doesn't really matter. It will work either way. So what you need to do is the push button here. You push that till the lights come on the dash like this. When all the lights illuminate, then you hold the corner button for the reset. Hold it until that light comes on. Now that's a service light. It will ask you if you want to reset your service. That's once a year, 30,000 kilometers. It's just for general maintenance, inspection, brakes, whatsoever. And if you're all good with that, then you can skip it. So I gotta go back to it because I just missed it. There you go. If you want to scroll down from it, you hit the button again, and it goes to the next service, and the next service, and the next service, and the next service, all the way to the oil. And then you hit the oil again. You just keep the corner button pushed in, and it'll ask you. Do you want to reset? In my case, I already have a reset, so it's not going to ask me again. It'll say reset impossible. But if it asks you, you let it go and then push it again and then hold it again until the resets start. The process will start, and there will be a bar, and it will be illuminating lights one by one, and it'll go all the way across, and it'll say reset completed. So let me just do it once again on another service. So I hold it down. There you go, that light come on, so I hold it again, I let it go and hold it again, and see where it says reset and question mark. You let it go and push it again, and there you go, and it's reset. Then you go to the next level, wait till that disappear. Okay, it says reset impossible because I already have it reset. So then you go down to the next one, that's the brake fluid. So you want to reset. If you have done it, if you have flushed it already, then you would hit yes, and then you hit the button and hold it, and then it will ask you, do you want to reset? You let it go and push again, and it will be reset. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. This is Expert Mechanics at 727 Kipling Avenue at the corner of Jutland and Kipling on the back of the building. Thank you and have a nice day.